After 6 months of waiting, I was finally able to go pick up my suppressor. I picked it up at the Silencer shop. It's a Saker 762 suppressor, and I'm really excited to show it to y'all. It came with the box and an oven mitt. Just kidding, it's not an oven mitt. It's a tactical suppressor removal mitt. Big difference, right? All right, well, let's open up this box. Got the symbol there. All right, Silencer shop threw in a sticker. Got a little order form for free dog tags. That's fun. Social networking with your suppressor. Watch my YouTube video. Warning, please read instruction manuals or you will die, etc. Okay, here is the instruction manual. So now let's open the box. Okay, we're gonna pull out these tools first. These are if you wanted to change your mad mount on the suppressor. Some multi-tools. This should be your muzzle brake. We've got a 762 muzzle brake and the shims to get your timing right. And now, here we have it. Comes in a cool tactical bag. You could put it on your hunting bag or your range bag. All right, here it is. It feels really solid. It's kind of a matte black color. I got the standard front cap. They actually have different caps if you wanted to do different things. And this is the trifecta mad mount. They call it the trifecta because it's supposed to be really easy to take on and off. So let's try it out. I have a 5.56 upper here, and I have a 5.56 muzzle brake already on it. I'll try to get that seated, and it's on. Taking it off. Same thing. All right, thanks for watching.